I wish I could tell you you tired, go take a break. I wish I could tell you that it's gonna get easier. I wish I could tell you that if you just keep going, it's gonna get lighter. But that's not the truth. The truth is you gotta find something within. When you find your why, you find a way to make it happen. When you get to the point where it hurt real bad, when you get to the point you can't take it no more, when you get to that point, but doors start opening, opportunities start happening. But what you cannot do is you cannot quit doing the process. You cannot give up because it ain't what you see. You cannot give up. Champions keep going when they don't have anything left in their tank. That's the difference between the greats. When they don't have no more, when it's over, when they're tired, when they're frustrated, when they're ready to give up, when they spent their last dime, that's when they get started. It's when you deplete all your money, when all your energy gone, when you have nothing left, that's when it's showtime.